Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll deep dive into the iOS Reminders app and show you all the different ways you can connect the app to Apple platforms and other apps with some real examples I use. This video is a must watch for you if you are among the smartphone users who juggle tasks across various apps. By the end of the video you'll understand the extensive capabilities of the iOS Reminders app and master using it in ways you never thought possible. So stay tuned and let's unlock the full potential of your day with iOS Reminders. First, let's understand IFTTT. It's a service that connects various apps and devices in a simple, user-friendly way. Integrating the iOS Reminders app with IFTTT lets you automate tasks based on different triggers, streamlining your daily routine. I jot down video ideas directly to Reminders, but my central tracking system is all done in Notion. I've streamlined my workflow by linking those two via IFTTT, ensuring everything is tracked from one app to another. Let me show you how I set this up, and which saves me valuable time every day. Once registered on the website, you are given two free applets. These applets can be chosen from a catalog other users have shared, or you can create your own. To create your own, select the Create button. This section covers the event that will trigger the process. Select Add. Search for iOS Reminders. You may need to install the app and give it access to iOS Reminders. This will list the available triggers. It is best if you choose New Reminder added to a list trigger. Select the reminders list you want to use to set up trigger from here. Next, you need something to do when it's triggered. Search for Notion. You need to set up access to the Notion account. This will list the available triggers. I have chosen to create a new page, but you can also add it to a Notion to-do list. Once connected, you can choose the Notion database you want to connect to and what parent page to create the pages into. You can use ingredients to choose data from your reminder to include in the title and body of the page. Once you are finished, you can create action. Adding a reminder to your list will guide the actions and create a page in Notions. Ensure IFTTT app has a background refresh switched on to trigger correctly. You might be wondering why I don't directly add pages into Notion. The main reason is that I have so many sources that I want to connect to Notion, but I don't have the interfaces to do it. Let's look at one of these sources. Like many of us, I often bookmark articles but struggle to find time to read them. To solve this, I created a system where any article that adds a star in Inoreader automatically gets added to my Read Me Later list in Reminders. This way, my reading list is ready and waiting whenever I have a spare moment. This integration helps me keep up with my reading without feeling overwhelmed. If you use IFTTT, these are great ways to benefit from the service. What about if you want to avoid using it? This is where a shortcut comes into play. If you are an Apple device user looking to maximize your Reminders productivity, using Apple Shortcuts app in conjunction with Reminders app is a great solution. Let's delve into how Shortcuts app can transform your interaction with the Reminder app, backed by practical examples. For iPad users, a common issue is finding the device with a dead battery when needed. I've experienced this too with my iPad Pro. To address this, I set up a personal shortcut. This shortcut triggers a reminder task when my iPad battery dips below 20%. The beauty of this system is that thanks to the sync features of Reminders app, I receive this notification across all my devices, ensuring I never miss a chance to recharge my iPad in time. To do this, create a new iOS shortcut on your iPad. Select Add New Reminder from the list of actions. Choose the list that you want the reminder to appear and choose Alert at the time you want to set the reminder to appear. Once created, you can switch to the automation option. It would be best if you created an automation that gets triggered when the battery falls below 20%. This is now set up automatically to create a reminder for you and will sync to your iPhone. One feature that the Reminders app lacks is the ability to move due dates forward in bulk. Recognizing this gap, I created a shortcut that allows me to shift the due dates of multiple tasks forward with the press of a single button. This is a lifesaver for those busy days when you need help to complete everything on your list. By now, you've learned the valuable insights into how these shortcuts can save you time and enhance your productivity. Remember to hit the like button if this video is helpful. This will help me decide if I should make videos like this. Now let's look at how we use Reminders and the share button to build up a list of things. The Reminders app is an excellent for creating a list to tick off. Not only can this be used for a list of tasks, but it can also be used for other lists. One of the ways I built this list was using the iPhone share button. Let's dive into some of the practical ways I use the share button for integrating with Reminders app. The share button is an excellent tool for creating a shopping list. It helps in curbing impulse buying. When I see something I want to purchase, I add it to my Reminders shopping list using the share button. Then I review this list once a month, removing the items I no longer need and buying those I do. This habit has organized my shopping and helped me make mindful purchasing decisions. Whenever I spot a new restaurant or an exciting activity on Instagram, I use the share button to add it to my respective restaurant or activities list in Reminders. I've even set up location-based reminders for these tasks so my phone alerts me when I'm near one of these places. Suppose you're someone who finds the Reminders app lacking in certain areas. Let's dive into the applications I use most frequently to improve the capabilities of the Reminders app. BusyCal is an excellent tool for viewing my Reminders tasks alongside my Google Calendar schedule, all from the convenience of the menu bar. This integration has been a game changer for my daily planning, allowing me to see my entire day's agenda at a glance. Fantastical for iPhone. This app is a fantastic addition to my iPhone. It shows my reminder tasks and Google Calendar together and offers a quick entry feature. What I appreciate the most is its ability to understand natural language typing, making tasks capture fast and intuitive. You can integrate these apps with iOS Reminders apps to create a more robust and personalized task management system. If you found this video practical, please consider subscribing for more content like this. If you are heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem like I am, there is a great deal of Siri integration with iOS reminders. This is especially useful for those of you using Apple Watch or HomePod, as it makes task capturing effortless and hands-free. If you're interested in streamlining your task management with voice commands, here are a few of the most compelling features I use with Siri integration. One of the simplest yet most impactful uses is adding items to a shopping list, especially when my hands are full. I can ensure no item is forgotten using my voice commands, making shopping trips more organized and efficient. Prioritizing tasks. I've set up a shortcut enabling Siri to list all the high priority items in my reminders. This feature is a time saver, helping me focus on the most important tasks without needing to manually sort through my list. Thank you for joining us to master integrating with iOS Reminders app. Remember to hit the like button if this video is helpful. This will help me decide if I should make more videos like this. For any questions or to share your experiences with these features, comment below. I would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more practical tips, hacks and techniques for your workflow. Until next time, keep optimizing and stay practical.